How to find your Android phone using Google. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to find your Android phone using Google. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now, we need to head over to our settings and then scroll all the way down until you reach Google right here. So on the Google right here, you can see this Find My Device option. So click on that. And in here, you need to make sure that your Find My Device is actually turned on. And you also need to make sure that your location is turned on. So click on Location Settings and make sure to turn on the location right here. Now, once you have done that, you can find ways to find your device. So you can click on Open Web Portal, or you can also install the Find My Device app. So in the web portal, you just need to head over to www.google.com/android/find, which is our site right here. So in here, as you can see, it actually is contacting the device, and you can actually play sound right this. You can also secure the device. You can lock the device and sign it out of your Google account. So you can also erase a device. You can delete all the content from the device right here. So as you can see, it has now located my actual location, but I will blur it out for now for security and privacy purposes. And then you can just head over and make sure to click on any one of this one in order to successfully find your device. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find your Android phone using Google. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!